Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I recently just unboxed a whole bunch of Profusion cosmetics palettes. I'm so excited, and I thought today I would swatch this little CITRINE palette for you. So obviously this comes with a clear lid, which is, fine. No mirror or anything. That's probably how they keep their prices down. As soon as I opened it, I don't know how I did this, but I took a big chunk out of this one pan here called Safari. So I don't know if I was too rough with it in the box, like when I was looking through all of them or what. But I'm going to start with the top left and move across. As you can see, it's a nice little yellow, gold, orange, 10 pan palette. So I hope you enjoy. Here we go. Okay, this is flaking off after the first swatch. Let's start at the beginning though. This is called Strobe Lights. It's a light gold, you may say champagne. It looks pretty yellow in the pan. This next one just flaked right off and kind of became a powdery mess. It's called Blessed, or maybe Blessed, I don't know. It's a bright yellow. Could be a little more opaque, but you can build it up. I just hope it doesn't fall out all over the place. Next one is called Zenith. Straight up gold shimmer. Can't really argue with that. And then Society. Okay, so it's a nice metallic, medium orange. I like that a lot. I mean, I got it for the yellows, but that works as a gradient. And then one called Papaya. I know this is more pigmented than it looks right now. Kind of a salmon-y color, some oranges in it, little pinky, pretty. Starting with the bottom row, this is called Gold Digger. It's kind of between a gold and a champagne. It's kind of a mix of these two down here. This one looks really pretty. It's called Dandy. It's a little sheer. I think, again, you can build these up. That's what my experience has been in the past. It's a matte with a little bit of gold in it, or like a little bit of shimmer. It's not really picking up though. I hope this kind of stays intact. This was not my experience with the Profusion Mauves palette. This one might be a little older or something, and that's why it's kind of flaking off. Like this is the next one, Safari, that I accidentally messed up. It's like a cool, I don't know, like giraffe yellow, school bus yellow maybe? It's like a yellowish orange. Next one is a shimmer called Taboo. It's more of like a, I don't know, what would you call that? Copper? Bronze? These shimmers are quite solid. It's the mattes I'm having a little bit of a powdery time with. And then there's only one left, and it's called Tea, and it's basically the most skin-like of them. It's a matte, obviously. So yeah, a fun little palette. A lot of these could just be a one and done eyeshadow look. I really like this brand. That's why I got so many palettes from them. So I hope you enjoyed this swatch video, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello, it's because it's a pinky swatch. I need a bigger finger. And I need a paper towel. It has a little more bit. If I can get into the right spot. I'm gonna hope that that's in the right spot. Are you? Looks like it. Please work. Please work.